Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Stocking here. Super excited to help you out with your week 5 assignments. So week 5, as you can see here, says that you will be submitting your 2.06 discussion voice activity, your 2.07 asignación, and your 2.07 prueba. The first thing I want to do for my 2.06 discussion voice activity is to go from the main menu to discussion groups. That's where I can go to hear the question. I'm going to click on that 2.06 discussion group, and then I'm going to click to the right of my own name, and I'm going to listen to the question here.
¿A qué hora te despiertas?
¿A qué hora te despiertas? And it says to listen and respond accurately in Spanish to the question below. This activity will be graded for accuracy and pronunciation. As always in Spanish too, I want you to reword the question to help you form your answer. So I want to take this verb right here, te despiertas, and I want to put that in the yo form. So this assignment is from lesson 2.06. So I'm going to go to my lessons, 2.06. And of course you always want to read all of the entire lesson. I'm just doing a shortcut to show you exactly what you're going to be turning in. So please spend some time on the actual lesson. The Estructuras tab is your grammar. And notice I used this verb right here, despertarse. So if you scroll down a little bit further, oh my goodness, here's the verb that I want right here in the yo form. Yo me despierto. And then I'm going to want to say at what time I wake up. So again, please spend some time reading through all of this lesson, but just to help you out with this voice activity, you want to go right here to yo me despierto, and then for me, for example, I would say yo me despierto a las 7 de la mañana. I wake up at 7 in the morning, but you are going to want to fill that in with whatever time you actually wake up. So that's your 2.06 discussion voice activity. Another thing that some of you may have noticed is that you can click right here at the top of the announcements page, and that'll open up a document that if you scroll down a little bit has all of your voice activities listed for you. So if you don't want to go to the discussion group anymore, you can just go right here and you can see what the question is asking you. Students need to tell at what time they wake up, okay? And then you're just going to submit that in your list of assessments. So you'll go from main menu to assessments, find your 2.06 discussion voice activity, and record your answer however you're used to recording. Now remember, we also need to submit our 2.07 asignación and our 2.07 prueba. So I'm going to go to lessons, 2.07 asignación, and remember, you always want to click on the asignación tab. That's where you learn what you're going to submit for each assignment. So here it tells us that for part 1, we're going to attach our answers from work file 1 to the 2.07 asignación. In the Practica tab, we find work file 1. So that'll open up a Word document for you. And there's a list of questions, and it says that you want to answer the following questions about the reading selection in complete Spanish sentences. What reading selection, Mrs. Stocking? Well, of course, it's just in the Lección tab of that lesson. So in 2.07 Lección, you'll see this handy reading here. It's all in Spanish. Oh no, what am I going to do? That's okay. Just like I taught you with your 1.09 assignment, you're going to read the question, ¿Dónde están los amigos? And then we're going to come over here and we're going to just skim through here. I might not understand everything, but I am going to look for some of those key words about los amigos and están, where are they? So, oh my goodness, I see right here in the second sentence, los muchachos están en una playa en Mexico. So all you want to do is copy and paste that answer as you're reading. Or if you want to, the question says los amigos and the reading says los muchachos. Either one is fine. One means the friends, one means the kids. It's totally fine either way. So just skim through using what we've taught you in each lesson to just find the answer, and you can usually just copy and paste it directly from the reading. ¿Qué día es? So you're going to look for a day of the week. And there's one right here in this first sentence. please use those skills to help you with the rest of 2.07 Asignación. And then for the rest of 2.07, you're going to do a prueba that's going to deal a lot with 2.07 estructuras. This is where you learn about ser o estar. They are both verbs in Spanish that mean to be, but you're going to learn about all of the different ways you use one or the other. So if you just read through and then also click on part 2 of this lesson, you will learn a little bit about when to use ser and when to use estar. You're going to want to know all of these different conjugations of both of the verbs, and you're also going to want these accent marks here. So you may even want to just copy and paste these words onto a Word doc so that you have them handy when you take your 2.07 prueba. I hope that really helped you with your week 5 assignments. Thanks so much, everybody.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Stocking here. Just